Salesforce Public Sector Solutions help government organizations build and support thriving communities with packaged applications like licensing and permitting, inspections, and crisis response services. Every constituent, from a resident building a new home to an entrepreneur opening a new business, can easily find which licenses and permits they need, all using a single online community. Applications can be finished faster with intelligent forms that dynamically update based on user input. Then, government employees can log in and see all applications ready for review in one place. And if more information is needed, reviewers can easily collaborate with applicants in real time. Employees are then guided with next best actions for each step in the review and application process, like assigning inspections, automatically notifying inspectors of their daily visit plan on their mobile device, and configurable inspection checklists ensuring no steps are missed on site to elevate community safety. In the event of a violation, inspectors can pull up the relevant regulatory code, take a photo, and document the violation, all at their fingertips. While signatures are digitally captured, so there's no additional paperwork to keep track of. When communities are in crisis, governments can share real-time crisis updates and enable residents to report incidents or quickly request services through an always-on community portal. Emergency responders can also monitor and prioritize requests and quickly find and assign volunteers to accelerate the disaster response. While volunteers and emergency responders in the field can get all the information they need to bring communities back to wellness. See how to build and support thriving communities with Salesforce.